Yo, what's going on, Snake Gang? Welcome to the VIP section of MambaFX. I'm glad you're with us. In this short tutorial video, training video, however you want to say it, I'm going to be going over how to spot hidden divergences and regular divergences. Now, this is the main factor when it comes to trading here at MambaFX is divergences. Okay, that's all we're basing our trades off of. With a few other things. But just in this quick video, I just want to show you guys how to spot the divergences, okay? And look, divergences can be very small, very big. Sometimes they can be very hard to see, so you have to train your eyes to see these divergences, okay? And right off the back, I see a regular bullish divergence, which means the market is going to be going to the upside. Or you think the market's going to go to the upsides. Obviously, nothing is for sure. So, what does bullish regular divergence look like? This is what it looks like. As you can see, price action has made a lower low, but the OBV indicator, which is the on balance volume, that's what we're going to be using here, by the way, if you guys are not up to date with that. OBV is showing upwards movement on the lower areas. So basically, when you're looking at the downtrend, you mark it from the bottoms, okay? Remember that. Downtrend bottoms, uptrend tops. Unless it's hidden, then you do the exact opposite. Write it down, take notes, do what you got to do. But price action made a lower low, while the OBV made a higher low, right? So this tip is trying to come up and touch this tip, right? No homo. But that is what bullish regular divergence looks like. And what can we expect to see with some bullish regular divergence? We can expect this market to go this way, okay? It's showing a sign of reversal in the market, and that is regular bullish. Okay, so now let's go find ourselves some bearish divergence, which I actually see right here. Okay, so as you can see, let me see, we'll get our trend line out. As you can see, from this point to this point, we have higher highs being created on price action, but if we look at the OBV, you can see that we made a lower high, right? So that's a sign of reversal. And if you would have ended up getting in this trade after seeing the bearish regular divergence, look at the type of drop you would have caught right there. That was a huge sign of reversal, and it completely plummeted, okay? So this is bearish regular divergence right here. Okay, take your pictures, do what you have to do. This is bullish divergence. This will never change. It'll always be a lower low and then a higher low on the OBV. Never will change, okay? Make sure that there is a difference, okay? Make sure you're going down here and you're going up here, okay? A double bottom, double top is not divergence. This is divergence, okay? Like I said, take your pictures, do what you got to do. Bearish regular divergence, bullish regular divergence, okay? And as you can see, beautiful movement to the downside on that, okay? So now let's go look for some hidden divergences, okay? And these are beautiful. These are very powerful, powerful divergences because these are going to show you trend continuation. So when you see hidden divergences, that means the trend is going to continue, right? So let's go ahead and find something here. Let's see what I can find here. And by the way, I just want to show you guys really quick that I found some more bearish just for another example. So from this point to this point, we're making a higher high, but on this point to this point, we're making a lower high. Right after this happened, as you can see, the market decided to come down. Okay, so very simple, right? So look, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys a couple hidden divergence examples, and then you guys are going to backtrack, or not backtrack, back test all of this, and show me your results, stuff like that. But let's go ahead and look for some hidden divergences here, and then I can show you guys exactly how to spot them. But let's see what we can find here. So we're looking at a downtrend here, but no, it's too choppy. Too choppy. Okay, let's see if we can see something here. Unfortunately, no. Well, no, definitely not. Sorry. This might be a hassle, but I'll find some. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I found some very nice hidden bearish divergence, okay? So now, when you're looking for hidden divergences, you're going to draw it from the top when you're looking at the downtrends, and the bottom when you're looking for uptrends, okay? So it's just the opposite. So now I see here, price has made lower highs, right? But look what the OBV did. A higher high, right? So now it's the opposite, and you can see What happened after we actually made this bearish hidden divergence, you can see that the market continued that trend all the way down to the bottom, right? So it's very simple. All it's showing you is trend continuation, and you draw it from the top because it's hidden. We're looking for hidden. So lower high, but look, higher high. That's all it is. And if you look closely, it makes like a squeeze effect. So that's how I always kind of remembered it when I first started. As this is going down, okay, the OBV is going up. So it's making like a shape like this, which indicates the market's going to squeeze down, right? So very simple, very, very, very simple. Oh, shit, I'm still drawing. Oopsie. Okay, now let's go look for a hidden bullish divergence. Guys, I'm going to show you guys some hidden bullish really quick. So from here to here, for one, we can see that we are in a uptrend, right? So we can see that, okay? But price from here to here has made higher lows, but the OBV is showing a lower low from that exact area. And as you can see, it's not a beautiful slant, but it's still a slant. So what does that tell you? That tells you price is going to continue in this trend. And as you can see, go back to this, after this hidden bullish divergence was made, we have continued to the upside. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Take your pictures, do what you got to do, study, backtest. Divergence is key, I promise you. Okay, here at MambaFX, divergence is key. Okay, so with all that being said, I want you guys to backtest, and I hope you guys got some knowledge out of this quick how to spot divergence video. Um, you know, let's have a good week. I don't really know what else to say. I'm just fucking saying shit now, but yeah, there's your divergences.